I walked a lonely road, the only one that I have ever known.
Like I'm acting brand new, I've been lit. I've been ishing, I've been doing that big shit. And I ain't stopping cause we going hard. This is the life. With charges on the credit card, I get committed to
Before we start today's video, which obviously will happen shortly, we're redoing the Mustang. I'm finishing it the way I wanted it. I just said, screw it, we gotta get this thing done. So, you'll see that next Monday, and I promise you, it's probably the coolest car you've ever seen. Also, what's happening next Monday, we are doing a summer blowout sale. So, the entire website will be 20% off, and it will be 2-time entries to win the Mustang. As for the podcast, it is almost done. They've been working really hard to get it integrated. As for one more thing, me. Very soon you'll be able to go to our podcast on our website under the podcast tab and subscribe to that. If you subscribe to the podcast, you can enter to win the Mustang as well. So, thanks for watching. Once again, 20% off next Monday. 2-time entries for the Mustang, and I'm really excited for you guys to see this thing. Let's roll. You look so good.
What's up? It's a YouTube pad again. We're doing more YouTube stuff.
Okay, so today's idea. So you know those like sand piles that we go to? We're gonna take the boat here, big sand pile here, Raptor here, rope going from Raptor over the sand pile, connecting to the boat. Raptor drives forward. Boat goes up on top of the sand pile, Raptor stops, we unhook, we get in the boat, ride it down the sand hill. What do you think?
Sounds like you're gonna fucking die.
Otherwise, we could just hook it up to the Raptor and jump it.
Stop! Freaking nice!
We're going boating today! The boat is buried. The Raptor is not okay.
Dude, you son of a Pizza Hut.
Holy shit.
Oh, she's dicked!
I really thought we were gonna make her.
Dude, we can get it out of there.
With what?
With this.
How?
She's just steaming, she's cooling down. Ah. Ooh, that smells huge.
Now what?
We haven't even done anything yet.
I know.
This is the first thing we had to get through. Well,
I think it's time we put our game faces on and go get the skitty committee, huh? Judo chop. I walked a lonely road, the only one that I have ever known. Don't know where it goes,
but it's
only me and I walk alone with YouTube pad.
Oh.
This boat just won't die.
Oh my God.
It took so long for it to come off! Boat fell off the trailer. Got an idea to get it back on, but we're gonna assess the situation. Motor's up.
Yeah, that's good.
Seat moved a little bit.
Yeah, our interior's chooch. What happened?
I don't know. Why? How do these leaves get in here? Here's the plan. I'm gonna start over there. I'm gonna back up with the trailer, at like 20 and hopefully it just rams it right on.
No! It worked! Bro! I mean, that's most of the way there. Ding!
It didn't hit the truck.
No way.
Huh.
Oh, look at that.
It didn't hit it.
Okay, well,
Now we gotta drive uphill.
she's a dream weaver. Now I laugh and it takes me through the night.
Man. We made it! Howdy! Oh, the motor came down.
Oh my god!
No,
How the fuck you guys do the trailer?
I don't, yeah. I'm gonna need this. You're gonna have the whole thing, all of it.
You guys want to do the little side mark?
Yeah, I'm down.
All right, you driving? Sure. All right.
That ain't good.
Something broke. See this A-arm here?
Oh, that's supposed to not be
No,
like
look at that.
Oh.
Take her for a rip once. It's a little pucky, but
Is it?
try it.
All right. Ooh.
Definitely doesn't.
Seems like it drives fine.
She's like ka-chowed a little bit. Put her straight. Dude, I don't care what you guys want to do. It's your boat now. But there's only one way to get it off the trailer, so I'll be right back. I thought the trailer was gonna tip. That was the
It was
plan.
like up like this.
Wow, we gotta go over there now.
You got some roll?
Are you ready?
Kill me.
I won't.
That shit rolls in fucking dead. Hopefully she don't roll.
That would suck.
We're all fucking dead.
I don't know.
Oh, it's sketchy.
Yeah.
It's deep.
We're gonna have to go faster.
We're frick now.
right, well, we're gonna head to our last little gravel pit to end the day. And I think this boat's finally gonna find some water, you know. We've been doing it wrong. I guess these things aren't made for land. Like, I guess I've never owned a boat before.
Yeah, what a weird concept.
Yeah.
Boats not for the sand.
Yeah, oh, that WRX, that poor car. Anyways, cut to the pit.
Yep.
Peace. I don't know how fast to go. Was it sketchy?
There's a little. I were you hauling Dick going straight? Oh yeah, that was a little
That's
sketchy.
awesome. Hi.
Hi,
How are you?
good.
Good.
Why do you stand there so far?
What?
Why are you standing there so far?
I don't know.
Bozo.
I hit the chairs. That's it though.
Well, I thought the garage door fell down at something.
Well,
Would you pop the clutch or what?
I was gonna do a burnout, but the front brakes couldn't hold it.
A burnout in the garage?
Yeah, we're okay. Nothing broke. I totally thought I was going through the wall. I was like, this is gonna work. Well, actually, the chairs didn't even break. What's in this?
A antenna.
For?
I don't know, the camper or something.
Well, that's in rough shape, but... For those of you wondering, and you're watching this, no, I did not shit my pants. It's a stain.
It's shit.
No, it's not. All right, get back to the video. No, it's actually not.
Antennas probably don't matter if they're bent, I don't know.
Yeah. All right. Dude, that could have went horrible.
I thought you were gonna go through the wall.
All right, I was gonna try and do a crazy burnout and get your reaction, but instead I almost went through the garage wall. Right. So anyways, yeah, I just got the text message. That's my wallet. I just got the text message. The Mustang is done. So we're gonna end today's video. Thank you for watching so much, and don't forget, next Monday, 20% off, 2-time entries, and the reveal of what this thing looks like. He won't even show me, but he says it looks like the most nasty Mustang around town. So follow me on Instagram at ShermyBangin', follow Tommy Knoxville because you know he's all about the tricks, and we'll see you soon. Later.
That shit a break.
What?
My freaking Miata.
I put a dent in the hood.